Hey guys, welcome to our channel. And if you want to create a website and you want to connect your custom domain that you have bought it from GoDaddy, Namecheap or Hostinger or Bluehost, then this video is for you. After purchasing that custom domain, you just need to go to that Odoo website and odoo.com, and you have to log into your account, and here you can find the website. You can simply click on that website and you can find your web page here, and from here you can easily add your custom domains. But first let me suggest you some custom domains, some domain manager that will help you to purchase the domain. For example, GoDaddy. GoDaddy is a leading company where in every 4 seconds a domain has been purchased, but has a purchasing by someone on the world. So you can go to the GoDaddy here. So you can search for GoDaddy, and here is the official site where you can search for the domain. For example, you want to get a domain. So let's like this, you can search for it. So make sure that that domain is actually not purchased by anyone or any broker, so you can get it in a low cost. But if it's purchased by anyone and they are actually selling that domain, you have to bought that domain name in the 4 time or 5 time multiple price than regular. So here you can see the regular price is 21.99. so if I purchase for 3 years term, then it will give me $0.01 for the first year. So we can purchase it, so we can simply click on this don't miss out, or we can just purchase it by simply adding it to the cart here. So after adding that domain, here you can see we are adding that domain in the cart here, so we can get to the cart. So here it is loading. So we are actually here, so you can go with this free domain privacy. You can select it. You can select free domain protection or no domain protection if you want. So if you want to free domain protection, then you have to pay $1 per month. But if you don't want that, you can simply click on no domain protection. Then comes inside here that build your site at the speed of AI. So you can add a website here, so it's not activated any website here, you can see. So here is no professional email. You can go with this email essentials that are email security here, but I'm going to choose that one. Then you can simply click on continue to cart, and you have to wait until it loads up. Here you can see it is loading the card here. So here is the card here. So I'm going to go that. So I'm going to delete the first one here. So delete it. I've deleted that. I'm going to delete this also. So I'm going to select this one. So we can go with this .co actually. So that previous one was another domain. So for example, you have just added a domain and you are decided to get that domain, then you can simply click on ready for checkout, and it's pretty simple to pay in GoDaddy for a domain. So it is also secure, and you have to add a payment card or payment method like your credit card, debit card or a bank account, or you can go with the online payment method that actually acceptable by GoDaddy. So the credit card and debit card payment process is much preferable, so you have to wait until it load up the checkout page here. So till then we can go to the home page here. So after actually it's you have to go with you can go with the credit card. You can add your credit card name, your credit card number, your expiration date, your CVV number and the billing address. Then you can get your domain as soon as you complete the payment or the money is transferred to that GoDaddy, so they can reconfirm that you have paid the expected money, and they can actually they can give you the domain. So you can get the domain access with a dashboard that is actually GoDaddy manager, or your domain manager as a GoDaddy dashboard, where you can control your domain address here, or you can control the website that actually connected with your domain. So you can get listed, you can get your website listed in the domain manager. So make sure that you have got listed your web page with your domain manager, otherwise you can connect your domain custom domain with this website. So for that, you can go to the Odoo and you can simply find this configuration button here. Simply click on it. Now the domain name here, so it will send a confirmation mail to your Gmail. So you have to go to your Gmail first to get confirm that verifying yourself or the identification. So here it is. So click to activate your database. So here it is activating. So just like this, you can activate your Odoo website. So I will give Odoo a fair try, or you can skip it. So I'm going to skip that. So go to that domain here, or here it is. So it is confirmed now. You can go to the editor again. Now simply click on configuration and let's see. Now here it is. My website is ready. My website is ready. So we can simply click on it. And from here it is allowing us to add a custom domain here. So here you can see use my own domain or get a new domain name. So it will allow you to get domain from Odoo themselves, or you can use your own domain that you have owned right before this, right earlier from GoDaddy or Hostinger or any other domain manager. So from here you can add your domain here and you can verify it. Then it will go a verification process. You will go through a verification process for in your GoDaddy manager, this GoDaddy domain manager. And here is some information important information that perform the following operation in your domain manager. So right now our domain manager is GoDaddy. So there you have to create a CNAME record, and you have to, and your domain will be added as default. Then you have to point that domain that you have purchased to this domain, this current domain of your web page. This is the current domain of your web page, the website. So you have to enter that in the point section or the right side. At the right side box here, you can find two boxes. The first box will hold your own domain, and the second box you have to add the current domain here. So if you want to use the negative domain, so you need to redirect this .com domain or that purchase domain to your www. This domain. Then you can easily confirm that, and after confirming that, you can, and after setting the DNS, you can find the DNS section in your GoDaddy. So after finding the DNS section, you can perform that all the processes, and you can connect your this custom domain, and you, after verification, it will just connect your domain with your Odoo web page. So it's pretty much simple. Hope you got this, and I have just described all regarding to this process, but unfortunately I can show you the visual or the practically on this video, just because of I don't have this payment method right now, or actually I don't have any domain right now to connect with Odoo. But you can follow my instruction to connect with Odoo, connect your domain, custom domain with Odoo website, and it will probably work for you. So if you are facing any type of problem to connecting your domain with your Odoo website, then you can let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Till next time.